Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Dalton Harris and his mother. Recently, his mother did an interview with another vlogger here on YouTube, and she spoke about the abuse that Dalton talked about while he was growing up. I did a whole separate video about that, about how he was abused and how he was hit and how his mother told him to kill himself. So I'll leave that video in the description box. But what I want to touch on in this video is how people are accused Dalton of lying about his abuse, when in truth and in fact this boy is definitely not lying. His mother said she didn't tell him to kill himself. Her exact words was she told him to go run in front of a truck. I don't know what the difference is when you tell your child to go run in front of a truck or when you tell your child to go kill himself. What is going to happen to him when he go run in front of a truck? He's gonna morph into Superman and not die? That doesn't make any sense. And quite honestly, logically, yes, she did tell Dalton to go kill himself. And that's very, very disheartening that any parent would tell their child to go kill themselves. Very, very disheartening. And when people come out and talk about abuse and their childhood and how they went through a lot being a child to Jamaican parents, Jamaican always try to defend abuse, and it really pisses me off that Jamaican people are still defending abuse. Beating your child and cutting your child in his forehead and in his head, and he has to grow his hair out to hide it, that is abuse. That's not punishment. Punishment is when you take a game away from your child. You stop him from going out at a certain time. You stop him from playing with his friends. You put him in time out. That's punishment. Beating your child, cutting your child in his head and his forehead is not punishment. And quite frankly, I cannot in my right mind actually say I feel bad for the mother and everything that she's going through. She said that people are harassing her or talking about what she did to Dalton and all of that. I don't feel sorry for her. And quite frankly, I don't feel sorry for any Jamaican parent that abuse their kids, and then when their kids get successful, then they try to act like they were the best parents since life's bread. I do not support that. You need to love your children cold-heartedly and keep them uplifted at all times, no matter who they are, what they are, or who you think they're going to be. So, everybody has been talking about it, and quite frankly, I don't think Dalton would lie about abuse. Most people, and I say most, that went through abuse don't even like to talk about abuse because it brings back so much hard memories. It brings back up so much emotions. People don't like to talk about stuff like that. And it's not to bring attention and it's not to get sympathy. It's just Dalton's reality. That's what he went through. That was his life. He's telling his story. And it is what it is. Quite honestly, I don't even think that his mom should have came out and said anything or tried to defend herself, because you did that to your child. Nobody didn't do it to him. You did it. So why even try to defend it or justify it? There's no justification of stuff like that. You telling your child to go kill himself or go run in a truck, I don't know what the difference is. It's the same thing to me personally. Know that he's successful and he's getting notoriety and getting fame. You want to step in and put in your 2 cents. No, sit back, relax. act like he was never here because that's what you wanted him to do, to go kill himself, and then you would have pretend like he wasn't here. Now that he's successful and he's famous, do the same thing. Keep that same energy. It really pisses me off when people talk about this boy is lying. Lying for what? This boy don't even talk to his mom. That's how you know he's not lying. Because most people, when they get to a certain age and they realize all the emotional, mental, psychological trauma that their parents put them through, it's very hard for you to sit back, relax, and talk to your parents and act like nothing happened. And most of the time, these people that were abused, or these kids that were abused, turn into dysfunctional adults. And you as a person have to actually go back, revisit your childhood, revisit all the abuse, get therapy, think about why you do certain things, write down things. You have to seek help and help yourself. And when you realize all the trauma, all the emotional, physical, and psychological damage that that person have done, it's hard for you to forgive them. It's very, very hard. And a lot of people are going to say it's because he grew up poor, and it was because his mother was poor and they didn't have anything. That doesn't warrant you abusing your child or telling him to kill himself. It does not warrant it. No one can justify that in my eyes. Do I feel like Dalton is lying? Hell no. Do I feel like the mom is lying? Hell yes. That's just my opinion. Everybody can think what they want to think, but that's my opinion. I don't feel like Dalton have any reason to lie. And I'm sure if you ask Dalton's sister, she will probably tell you that everything that he said was probably true. Not because they were poor she did it. People from all walks of life abuse their children. So that's not why. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Do you think Dalton is lying? She wants sympathy from people. He wants people to feel bad for him. Or do you think the mom is lying because she wants to save face and don't look bad in the eyes of Jamaican and the people she lives around? Or do you think that both of them just need to keep quiet about it and don't say anything because this boy is in a British competition and everything outside of the competition is overshadowing his talent, and what he's actually there to do is to win the X Factor. And I'm sure he's probably going to win. He's an amazing singer. He deserves all our love and support because he could be our brother, he could be our uncle, he could be our cousin. Like, he deserves all the support in the world. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.
And preach, step over, they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go on back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over, they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.